Hello grade 12s and welcome to the sixth segment of June exam practice. Please take that down. Number 6 is the function k defined by k of x is equal to a over x plus p then plus q has the following properties. The range of k is y is an element of real numbers, y is not equal to 5. The domain of k is x is an element of real numbers, x is not equal to 10. The graph of k passes through a, x is 6 and y is 10. 6.1 states, calculate the values of a, p, and q. So let's write the equation first. K of x is equal to a over x plus p, then plus q. Right? The range y is not equal to 5. So it follows that q is 5. Because the graph will never touch the line y is equal to 5. And then domain x is not equal to 10. Remember, the denominator must not be equal to 0. So we make, on the right it must be 0. This 10 goes to the other side. X minus 10 is not equal to 0. P is negative 10. Okay. A over x plus negative 10, so it's just x minus 10, then plus 5. Then we substitute A. The point 6 and 10. Okay. 10 is equal to A over 6 minus 10 plus 5. 5 goes to the other side, it becomes negative 5. 6 minus 10, negative 4. A is negative 4 times 10 minus 5 is negative 5. A is negative times negative is positive. 4 times 5 is 20. The full equation is 20 over x minus 10 plus 5. That is the full equation, although, yeah, P is negative 10, Q is 5, A is 20. Hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. 6.2. Determine the y-intercept of k of x. Y-intercept x is 0. So we calculate k of 0, 20 over 0 minus 10 plus 5. 20 over negative 10 plus 5. So it's negative 2 plus 5, 3. X is 0 and y is 3. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 6.3 states, find the x-intercept of k of x. X-intercept y is 0. So k of x rather is 0. K of x is 20 over x minus 10 plus 5. So 20 over x minus 10. 5 goes to the other side, it becomes negative 5 over 1. Then we cross multiply. Negative 5 x minus 10, 20 times 1. 20 times 1 is 20, divided by negative 5. X minus 10 is 20 divided by negative 5 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 10. X is 6. Y is 0. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. 6.4 states, sketch a neat graph of this function. Your graph must include the intercepts with the axis and asymptotes if any. Okay. I can't hold, so please forgive. So first, please start with the asymptotes. So these are the lines, x is negative 10 and y is 5. Sorry, it's actually x is 10 and y is 5. So there they are. This is the line. X is 10. X-axis. This is the line. Y is 5. Y-axis. Right? Then x-intercept, y-intercept at 3, x-intercept at 6. So it would have to be something like this. Sorry. Yeah, just make sure that it doesn't touch. Right? My pencil broke, as you can see. So that's why I have to use this small pencil. And then you have one this side as well. Doesn't touch the asymptotes. Make sure of that. X at 6 and y at 3. So this is 3 and this is 6. Right? This is k. And this is the graph of k of x is 20 over x minus 10 plus 5. Okay. You get marks for the shape, the intercept, the asymptotes. Okay. 6.5 states, determine the equations of the axis of symmetry of k of x. So the equations of the axis of symmetry, they both pass through the point where the asymptotes intersect. So x is 10, y is 5. The first one is y is equal to x plus c. Right? Y is 5, x is 10 plus c. 5 minus 10 is c. C is negative 5. So y is equal to x minus 5. That's the first one, right? The second one is y is equal to negative x plus c. Then you substitute this point. 5 is equal to negative 10 plus c. Negative times positive is negative. Goes to the other side, it becomes positive. 5 plus 10 is c. C is 15. Therefore, y is negative x plus 15. Okay, I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Hmm. 6.6 states that given that m of x is equal to k of negative x minus 4, write down the Roman numeral number 1, coordinates of a prime, the point A on m of x. So m of x, k of negative x minus 4. So we need to simplify this. K of negative x, where there's x, we put negative x. So 20 over, instead of x is going to be negative x minus 10 plus 5, right? And then minus 4. So this is going to be 20 over, common factor in the denominator, it's negative 1, x plus 10 plus 5 minus 4. The equation of 20 divided by negative 1 is negative 20 over x plus 10, 5 minus 4 plus 1. That is the equation, right? But first, in order to get the coordinates of A prime, which is the point A on M of x, we need to understand the transformation that has taken place from A to A prime. So A, x, and y becomes negative x, means that the coordinate changes sign from positive to negative. A prime, negative x, and then minus 4, y minus 4 means it's shifted down by 4 units. So basically, A has been reflected about the y-axis and then shifted down by 4 units. So A prime, what is x? 6. Y is 10. Then we're going to say 10 minus 4. So A prime, negative 6. Y is 10 minus 4 is 6. Right? I hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Roman numeral number 2. The range of M of x. The range, we use the new equation. Here it is. So as you can see, in order to get the range, we use this, the horizontal asymptote. Y is an element of real numbers. Y is not equal to 1. Roman numeral number 3. We need to write down the x-intercept of M of x. X-intercept y is 0. Right? So M of x is 0. Negative 20 over x plus 10 plus 1 is 0. Positive 1 goes to the other side, it becomes negative 1. Negative 20 over x plus 10, negative 1 over 1. So we have negative x plus 10. Negative 20 times 1 is negative 20. What both sides by this negative, everything is positive. X plus 10, 20. X is 20 minus 10. X is 10. 10 and 0. I've been jumping the important steps, which are verification. So M of x is, we can use the original equation, 20 over negative 10 minus 10. Zero. Aha. There it is, so that is correct. Okay, I hope that made sense and I hope things were clear. If you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.